Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgos. Take only what resonates, guys. This is general love reading. Para sa personal reading, magpa-personal reading ka na lang. Kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo siya sa Facebook kasi siya yung magbibigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Ayan. Okay? Kung gusto mong magpa-free na personal or maaari kang mapili, no? Sa free na personal reading, mag-comment ka lang sa baba. Kasi maaaring mapansin niya yung comment mo by October, birthday niya, birth month niya yon. So, pipili siya ng maswerteng mabibigyan ng reading dito. Okay? There's the Ace of Cups, the Knight of Swords, the Death card, and the Nine of Pentacles. Four of Swords is here. Queen of Cups and the Emperor. Nakakakita ako ng in and out connection dito. Okay? For some of you, with the Ace of Cups, there's someone na talagang nagpapakita ng matinding emotions for you. I feel like there's a lot of love from this person. Now, with the Knight of Swords, nakikita natin na possible na mag-reach out, gumawa ng movement, or maybe makipag-usap, or maybe itatry niya na kunin yung attention mo, that kind of energy. The Death card, I feel like there's separation sa inyo ng taong to, or may pause, may naging saglit na pagputol ng connection or ng maybe disconnection sa inyo nitong taong to. And I'm seeing medyo matagal din, no? Yung iba higit pa sa 2 buwan. 1 buwan or 2 buwan or maybe more. Yung nakikita natin na naging disconnection sa nitong taong to. And then nakikita natin there's pagbabalik pero parang naiba. Okay, nagkaroon ng pagbabago. And I feel like someone here is trying to explain or will try to explain. And that could be your person na itatry niyang mag-explain kung bakit siya nawala or bakit nagkaroon ng disconnection. Maybe sasabihin niya sa'yo na he or she is busy, or will try to explain kung yung bigla na lang nandiyan na siya ulit, parang ganon. And at the bottom of the deck, nakikita natin that maybe this is you na parang actually wala ka nang ginagawa or wala ka nang pakialam. That's the energy. With the Queen of Cups, maybe nandun pa rin yung emotions or interest mo sa person neto, pero hindi na ganun katulad ng dati. Hindi na ganun kainit kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo for this person. I mean, the Emperor, I feel like parang ngayon pinalalabas mo na lang na you're focusing on yourself, on your healing. Parang kung mag-ayaw mo nang magbigay masyado ng pansin sa person na ito na maaaring minsan nang naging parte ng buhay mo. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano yung kanyang emotions. So, real emotions for you. Spirit guides, angel guides. For Virgos, ano yung totoong emotion niya para sa'yo? The Knight of Wands is here. Of course, there's a lot of passion. Nakikita natin yun. Talagang pagkagusto sa'yo, netong person na ito. The Ten of Cups, this is showing a lot of love. A lot of love here. And with the Five of Cups, parang parang this person gustong-gusto niyang ma-experience kung paano mahalin ng isang tulad mo. Kung paano ka magpakita ng pagmamahal. Like, gustong-gusto niya na like this person is gustong-gusto, eto ha, not only love, but this person is sexually fantasizing you. Pinagpapantasyahan ka rin niya. So, gusto-gusto ka rin niya matikman. Okay? So, mahal ka niya, and at the same time, gusto niyang malaman ano ba yung feeling ng mahalin mo. Or, I feel like this person, masyado siyang makasarili or madamot kasi pwedeng hindi niya ipinakita or ipinaramdam sa'yo yung pagbibigay ng efforts, ng time, ng offer. Parang ganun. Hindi niya pinakita na, kumbaga, siya yung first move or whatever, maybe in the past. But anyway, yun yung nakikita natin emotions niya for you. Gustong-gusto ka niya. Okay? Sexually and emotionally, there's a lot of love. Okay? Tsaka parang yung person nito parang nag-aantabay or naghihintay lang siya kung kailan matapos itong maybe yung situation mo or kung kailan matapos yung ginagawa mo, whatever. Maybe he or she thinks like you're busy. You're a busy person, or pwedeng feeling niya may ka-connect kang iba, so hinihintay niya na matapos yung connection mo na yun with someone else. And gusto ko ng person nito pero parang nahiya kasi siya. So yun yung pinaka-emotions niya. So ano yung intention niya for you? Ano yung intention niya sa'yo? Intention ng person nito is we do have here the Ten of Wands and the Four of Swords. Like what I've told you, gusto niyang matapos kung ano man yung sitwasyon mo, kung ano man yung, kung nasaan ka man ngayon. Yeah? So, pero ayaw niyang gumawa ng actions. Like, maybe ayaw niyang siya yung magsimula. Pero gustong-gusto niya magkaroon ng new beginning sa inyo. Pero yun nga lang, ayaw niya na siya yung magsimula. Maybe ayaw niya na siya yung mag-first move. That's not his or her thing. Hindi siya kasi ganung klaseng tao. Hindi siya yung tipo ng tao na mag-first move. Okay? Maybe pag nakita niya talaga sa'yo that you are open, or maybe kung ikaw mag-first move, maybe yun yung hinihintay na itong taong to. Yan sasabihin ng iba, yung iba dyan, nakakakuha ko ng energy na maybe nag-first move ka in the past. Pero hindi siya nakinig. Because maybe that time, he or she is not yet ready. Okay, hindi pa siya ready ng time na yun. Okay, what will happen in the future for the both of you? What will happen in the future for the both of you. What will happen in the future for the both of you? For Virgos, please, future energies. The Five of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. The Seven of Swords, and we do have here at the bottom of the deck the Tower. And followed by the Seven of Cups. With the Five of Pentacles, I can see big change. Someone here is parang hindi siya, I feel like for you, for some of you, you're dealing with your soulmate, no? Soulmate, twin flame, ganun yung energy. Pero someone here is parang sarado pa yung mata niya or yung paningin niya pagdating sa ganitong klaseng connection sa ngayon. Hindi pa siya ready. Okay? Maybe gusto niyang mabago muna yung kanyang sitwasyon financially. So maybe isa yun yung pinakamalaking impluwensya sa kanya kasi totoo lang, financially hindi pa naman talaga ako handa. With the Hanged Man, nakikita natin yung pananabik, pero talagang nandun pa rin yung paghihintay mula dito sa taong to. Okay? I feel like hinihintay niya na may mawala sa buhay mo, sa sitwasyon mo, kung bakit hindi pa siya makalapit sa'yo. Okay? Maybe, can you tell me about this? I would like to know, no? Ano ba yung gusto niya mawala? Okay, yung gusto niya mawala is the King of Cups. Okay, so, this is a person na pwedeng nagpapakita rin ng matinding emotions for you. For some of you, a very mature person sa buhay mo. Yung iba, this could be your dad, magulang, especially magulang parents or nagsilbing parang magulang sa'yo. Or yung iba, I don't know kung anong kinalaman nun, maybe ito yung nagiging pinaka-problem. Tito, tita. Basta this is someone who is very mature. For some of you, this is maybe your person na pwedeng may something din sa inyo nitong taong to. Okay, ito yung gusto niya mawala. Okay? And at the bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. I feel like medyo mahihirapan siya na hintayin na mawala yung taong yon. Because etong taong to, lahat ng kailangan niya is nasa kanya na. And then sobra-sobra pa. So, hindi ko nakikita na, aalis siya. Or I don't see any problem at all. I don't see any problem at all. Kung hinahanap niya problema, wala ko nakikita nagiging problema sa inyo nitong taong to, nitong past, maybe this past person with the King of Cups. With the Seven of Swords, in the near future, I can see you. Actually, wala kang pakialam. Tell me about the Seven of Swords. Yeah, you are the world. Masyadong sarado yung nakikita natin. You're just enjoying yourself. At saka you feel whole. If this is a twin flame connection, definitely you are already whole, no? Or buo ka na in the future. You're no longer needing your twin. Hindi mo na siya kasi kailangan. And with the Judgment, although this is your twin, sabi na natin ganon, pero parang nakuha mo na, tingin mo na nakuha mo na yung pangangailangan mo sa kanya, kung ano yung naging silbi niya sa buhay mo. Parang, okay na, dumating ka na sa buhay ko, malaki na yung impluensya mo sa akin, kung ano yung mga meron ako ngayon, ay mula sa'yo to, or natutunan ko mula sa'yo, or naiambag mo sa buhay ko, tingin ko okay naman ako kung ano yung mga meron sa akin yan. Hindi na kita kailangan. So, this is your energy. You no longer need this person in the future. Okay? So, ano yung magiging actions niya in the future with over the Star and the Two of Pentacles? Well, actually, yung action niya, like what I've told you, kasi imposibleng mawala itong the King of Cups dito, which is yung nagiging problem sa inyo, nandun pa rin, nangangarap pa rin siya sa'yo. And with the Two of Pentacles, nakikita natin na sineset niya yung priorities niya, or inaayos niya muna yung mga priorities niya, which is high chance may kinalaman yun sa pera, sa career, sa money. And yeah, with over the Justice card, Libra energy, the truth hurts for your person, pero may times na kung ano yung katotohanan, kailangan niyang tanggapin. Okay? So, wala siyang ginagawang movement kasi although may spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa na hindi ma-explain, dun siya nakatingin sa katotohanan. Okay? Ano ba dapat yung gagawin natin? Or ano ba? You know, this person, wala ka munang maaasahan sa kanya kasi tingin niya hindi pa tama ang panahon sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.